Good morning, students. Today I'll explain you about weeding. That is the topic of chapter 1, crop production. Now we can say weeding as a removal of weeds. Now what are weeds? What is weeding? Let's discuss. See, the unwanted plants that grow naturally along with crops are called weeds. Whenever any unwanted plant is grown with our crops, then they are called weed. Now it is very important to eliminate these weeds. Yes, so the process which is used to cut these weeds, this is known as weeding, or we can say removal of weeds. Now why it is essential to cut the weeds, to remove the weeds? The need is that the weeds compete with the crops. They just take the sunlight, water, nutrients, minerals, each and every nutrient which is very important for crops to grow. They just want to take each and everything. Weeds want to take each and everything from the crop. They just compete it. That's why it is very important to remove the weeds. Now what are the methods of removing the weeds? There are 4 methods of removing weeds. First is manual method. We can say manual weeding as well. Now in this, weeds are removed by our hands. We just plug it. Next is mechanical method. We can say mechanical weeding also. In this, by the help of some instruments, we can say khurpi, khoi, it is used to remove the weeds. Third is chemical methods. In this, there are certain, we can say chemicals are used. Weeds are used to remove the weeds. For example, paraquat. There are many other examples like 2,4-D, MCPA, Butacor. These are the chemicals which are also used to remove or we can say kill the weeds. Now, last is biological method. In this, in a field where crops are grown, over there some insects are spread over it. So then what happened? Now the insects used to kill the weeds. Yes, for example, cochineal. It is a type of insect which is used to spread on open-shell crops, so that we can kill the weeds. It is the production of open-shell is done in Tamil Nadu, where it is done, where insect cochineal is spread over there. So they just kill the weeds. I hope process of weeding, methods of weeding are clear to you all. Thank you, students.